Hello students, in the last class we discussed about the anatomy of e-commerce. It's different multimedia and the multimedia content servers and different consumer access devices. So in this class, let's study about the electronic commerce consumer applications. As they say, consumer is God, right? In any business, consumer is God, right? You have to fulfill the needs of consumers. Then only your business will develop. How that starts to grow. One the consumer, whoever the consumer may be, a consumer anna now satisfy ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, his needs anna satisfy ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ our business will automatically grow. So if you have a business and you want to get involved in e-marketplace ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರ ಈ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ as that. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ 3 questions in you need to ask yourself before you are starting your application. Okay na? What are those questions? What type of service do customers really want? What services do customer want, really want? So this is the first question you need to ask yourself. ಏನು ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇಂದ ಯಾವ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ or ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the one who buys your product for himself, ತನಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ the first question you need to ask before you launch your application is that what services do customer really want from your application. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇಂದ ಕಸ್ಟಮರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. The second question is money. Okay, money is the second question. What are consumers willing to spend? So if there is a product of this money, will the consumer pay the money and will buy the product? E question inna now we have to answer this question before you start your business in e-marketplace. Then the third question is, how should the product be priced? How should the product be priced? ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಶರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಶರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ತರ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಲೋಕಲಿ ಒಂದು 100 ರೂಪೀಸ್, ಒಂದು 1000 ರೂಪೀಸಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕು. ಅದೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಇ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1,500 ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ, 1500 ರೂಪೀಸಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ, nobody is going to buy your product. So before you launch the products in your application, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, the pricing has to be set by thinking about the mentality of the consumers. Will they buy it or not? Okay, these are the important questions which has to be answered before if you are willing to put your business into the e-commerce, okay, marketplace. So next is, and the thing is, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸೈರ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತ, it is very hard to predict. Okay, they are never specific about their needs and their desires. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ we have to be very careful while deciding the answer for this questions. Okay, what are the services that customers get, okay, through electronic commerce application? ಏನೇನು ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, the first one is entertainment on demand. on demand. And third one is news on demand. And games. And home shopping. Very basic, right? Home shopping. Ellaru ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಈಗ. ಇದು one of the major services which the person or the customer gets by electronic commerce. And medical facilities or medical consultations and desktop conferencing, video conferencing, right? Video conferencing through conferencing, and also distance learning, education. What are the different services that the customers get through the e-commerce application? That is entertainment to video on demand, news, games, home shopping. These are all very basic. Okay, e-commerce subject tumba basic agide. Ella whatever is going around you is they have made a subject. Okay, you have to write by your own. You have to think, imagine all the stuffs which are around you, and you have to write by your own. Okay, answers, it has to be very basic. Okay, navella bala tumba basic agide. So what are the things you will get through e-commerce application? Home shopping ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಝೂಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹೌದಾ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್, ಸೊ what I am doing, this is also kind of education through e-commerce, right? And what, and there is news, games, right? These are all the services which comes under the e-commerce application. So next we will move on to the consumer application and social interactions. So ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ಒಂದು e-commerce application ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ one of the major important thing is social interactions. Consumer application and social interactions. So social interactions very very important. Okay, now one long run alli ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, there has to be social interactions. That is the first and foremost thing the business people has to remember is on which they have to concentrate before they launch their application is the loneliness. Second one is boredom. Third one is education. And the fourth one is career. So what are these things? Whenever you develop an application, e-commerce application based on these things, then there is slight chances that, not slight, there is more chances that application will be very successful. These are the things the consumer gets when he wants to use an application. When he wants to use an application is the main question, right? When he is lonely or he is bored, he will watch videos. Our videos ನೋಡೋಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ now what you are seeing through the YouTube, ಹೌದಾ? For education purpose also they will use the e-commerce application. Or career, ಹೌದಾ, to enhance their knowledge. ಈ 4 areas ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ you have to build your e-commerce application. Okay, so the examples are like home shopping. Like if you are bored or you are lonely or you are bored, what you'll open the e-commerce application for shopping. That is, you'll open Amazon or Flipkart and you will do shopping. It will reduce your boredom, right? Or if you want to watch some educational videos, what you will open you'll open like applications like Udemy or something else, right? These are the examples for applications which concentrate on this four, which targets on this four areas. Okay, then what do customers really want? There are two important questions. Okay, there are two important questions which need to be answered before you launch your application. ಒಂದು ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಂದ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಂದ ನೀವು ಇ-ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, there are two important questions which need to be answered. Okay, the first one is, what do customers really want? As I told you before, ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಹೌದಾ, what do customers really want? And the second one is, will they pay for it? Okay now, what do customers really want? ಇವಾಗ ನಾವೇ ಆದ್ರೂ what do we want? What do we expect from our application? E-commerce application ಇಂದ what do we expect? So thing is, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ under this ಎರಡು important question ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು, do they want new services? ನನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಪ್ಪ, ಈಗ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ do they want new services? ಹೊಸ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇಕಾ ಅವರಿಗೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ will they pay for them? ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೊಸ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ will they pay for them? The ultimate goal of any e-commerce application from the business people or the organization people is to make money. ಹೌದಾ, ಅವರು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥ ಮನಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಆರ್ ದೇ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಪೇ ದ ಮನಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್? So these are the two questions you need to ask. Okay, and when I say what do the customers really want, the thing is, nowadays the e-commerce has widely spread. Okay, widely spread ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, there are lots of choices, but the thing is, the people or the consumers don't really think about the choices nowadays. What they will think is about the quality. The first one is quality, the second one is cost, and third one is convenience, easy to use, appealing. It has to be appealing. So these are the things which the consumers really want from an application, e-commerce application. What are those? The first one is quality. Whatever you show the product, it has to be delivered to the consumers exactly the same way. ಅದೇ ತರ cost. Cost is the most important thing. Cost has to be very less, very inexpensive ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. And the convenience. See, if there is a service, if there is a there are two steps in buying the product. Okay, one product na buy ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, imagine you have two steps and you are adding a new feature where you have to go through 4 steps. 4 steps add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು, then the consumers will be very not very comfortable in using your application. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, it has to be very convenient. ಎರಡು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇದ್ರೂ it has to be very easily attracted by the customers. Okay na? So because why? Because ಎಲ್ಲ customers they are not professionals, computer professionals ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋರೆಲ್ಲರೂ computer professionals ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. So we have to make sure that the user interface is very easier. Okay, very easy to use, and that is what easy to use and appealing. What is appealing? It has to be attractive. Okay, it has to be very attractive. The user interface has to be very attractive. Okay, these are the things the customers really want from the application which you are placing in the e-marketplace. delivering of the product to the customers. No, the next question is, sorry, the next question is, what are consumers willing to spend? See, the ultimate, as I told you before, the ultimate goal ಏನು, ಇವಾಗ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ನಾನು ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಚ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಮನಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಗೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಮನಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಮನಿನ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಕವರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, there is a shirt, you think there is a shirt of 500 rupees, and through the application and all, what will happen is there will be a additional cost of application, that is 300 rupees, and the total cost of one shirt will be 800 rupees ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ consumers are not ready to pay 800 rupees. Nobody will pay 800 rupees. Locally they are getting it for 500 rupees. So why will they pay 800 rupees? So what this application people will do, or the network provider ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, 500 ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ ಶರ್ಟಿಗೆ. For 300 rupees, how they will fill the gap is they will put advertising. Okay, advertising. So they will put advertising, so they will get the money back. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, you would have seen many games in the Play Store ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ, ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಆಟಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಒಂದು 2 ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ 1 ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, you will get an advertisement. So why are they putting the advertisement? Free ಆಗಿ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅಂತ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅವರು ಇದು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So they are putting some advertisement, so that they can get their investment back, ಹೌದಾ, through some profit also. Some profit ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ರ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ what they will do, advertising. Or same as in YouTube ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, you will be watching a video, then after some time what will happen, there will be a advertisement, you will skip and you will watch the movie or video again. So adala advertising, why they are putting advertising? To fill the gap. Okay, to fill the gap. Next one is delivering the product. I hope you have understood the two important questions you need to ask before you put your business onto the e-marketplace. Okay, now these are the two important questions. Next we will move to the delivery of product. Delivering of product to customers ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, there are different things we can do for packaging and distribution of the application, like adding attractive videos. Okay, adding attractive videos and ability to browse, easily browse ಆಗ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಮತ್ತೆ sophisticated user interface, this is the most important. Okay, ನಾನು ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ, so that the user can interact with the application, that is called user interface. ಈ ಇಂಟರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತುಂಬಾ sophisticated ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, so that it attracts the user to buy the product what you are selling. Okay, and limited budget is very important, it has to be very less. Okay, and also separate blocks. If there is a video application ಇದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, sections ಅನ್ನ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, adults ಗೆ separate, children's ಗೆ separate. Why? Because all the videos cannot be watched by the children, right? ನಾವು ದೊಡ್ಡವರು ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತೀವೋ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು children's ಗೆ ತೋರ್ಸೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ತೋರ್ಸೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, we have to make separate blocks. Next important topic is, I hope you have understood the delivering of products, that involves packaging and distribution. Packaging and distribution alone, there are different things we can do for packaging and distribution of the application. That is, we can add attractive videos, we can we can we can add ease of browsing, so that if a person is searching for something, he gets it very easily, and sophisticated user interface, and separate videos for children and adults, and limited budget. Okay na? Next topic ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ consumer research and e-commerce. So consumer research ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ for any field, not only business, e-commerce ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ field ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ what you have to do, you have to do some research. Okay, for example, here you have entered BCA, right? BCA ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. BCA ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ before you are entering BCA, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನೀವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಮುಗಿಸಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ you were having some plan, ಹೌದಾ? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅಂತೂ BCA ಬಂದಿರಲ್ಲ. You will have thought about something, you will have understood something, you have done your research well, and you have entered the course, right? ನಾನು ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಅನಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅನಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಆ ಥರ ಏನಾದರೂ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಇದು ಕೋರ್ಸನ್ನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಸಮ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ some government jobs. Like you will have thought about something and you will have entered. Likewise, consumer research becomes very important while you put your business onto the e-marketplace. So e-marketplace into ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ by little small preliminary research also there will be a big difference in the success of the application. ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಒಂದು ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಇಂದನೂ ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ what are the things what are the things on which the application has to do research? There has to be some questions ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. For example, we have three topics on which we can do some research. Andre what mix of voice, data, video, entertainment, education, information, interactivity will consumer demand ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಥರ ನಾವು ಯೂಸರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಥರ ಡೇಟಾನ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು, ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಮನಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಮೈ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ನಾನೊಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ಆರ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಟೈಮ್ he will be willing to spend on my application. ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. The next one is how much will regional and cultural differences influence application architecture. ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಚರ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ನೋ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಡೈವರ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ರಿಲಿಜನ್ ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಚರ್ ನಾನು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎರಡು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೋಸ್ ರೀಜನಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ತ್ರೀ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಓಕೆ, these are the things we have discussed today about the e-commerce consumer applications. Okay na? And these are the two important questions we need to ask ourselves before we put our business into e-marketplace. And the important other than developing the application, the delivery also becomes very important thing in e-commerce application. That is packaging and distribution involves in delivery. Consumer research and electronic commerce we have to make some preliminary to high level researches for the success of our e-commerce application. Okay na? These are the things about e-commerce consumer application. In the next video we will learn about the e-commerce organization applications.